First, remove the screws from the wheel hub. Remove the old tire. Install the new wide wheels. Note that the concave side of the wide wheels faces outwards and the flat side faces inwards. Reinstall the wheel hub. The installation method for the other side is the same.